everyone, welcome back to the One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set time limit on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Your Time on Facebook. There are many options. To set time limit, tap on See Tools under Manage Your Time. Then toggle on the option for Quiet Mode. Next, select the day, hour, and minute in which you want to get notified by the app. After you're done, tap on Apply at the bottom. And that is how to set time limit in Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.